Namaste. I am Leela from the Yoga Institute, Mumbai. Today I am going to talk on how to be emotionally independent. That is, to stop being emotionally dependent on others. How to do that? Let's look at building inner strength and self worth. Yes, in the world where connections with others are vital to our emotional and psychological well being, it's easy to fall into the trap of emotional dependence. When we rely heavily on others for validation, happiness, or sense of purpose, we risk becoming vulnerable to feelings of rejection and unfulfillment. Emotional dependence can be quite a thief, gradually eroding our self worth and leaving us trapped in unhealthy patterns of behavior. However, by recognizing our own worth and building inner strength, we can break free from this cycle and foster healthier, more balanced relationships. Let's understand what is emotional dependence. Emotional dependence occurs when our sense of self-worth and emotional well-being are closely tied to the approval, validation, or presence of others. It can manifest in various ways, such as seeking constant reassurance, such as fearing abandonment, or feeling empty or lost when alone. While it's natural to seek support and connection with others, problem arises when our emotional stability hinges entirely on external factors. When you rely on others to fulfill your emotional needs, you hand over control of your happiness to someone else. This not only places an unfair burden on those around you, make you vulnerable to disappointment and heartache. Relationships become strained when one person feels the weight of being the sole source of another person's happiness, often leading to resentment and codependency. How do we overcome being emotionally dependent? First, by recognizing your own worth. Secondly, by building inner strength and resilience. And third, by creating balanced relationships. Let's take a look at all these 3 points. The first step in overcoming emotional dependence is recognizing and embracing your own worth. Your value as a person does not come from the approval or attention of others. It comes from within. By acknowledging your strength, talents, and unique qualities, take time to reflect on what makes you valuable and deserving of love and respect, independent of others' opinion. Affirmation and self-reflection can be a powerful tool in the process. Write down powerful statements of yourself and revisit them regularly. Challenge negative self-talk by reminding yourself of your accomplishment and strength. Over time, you will begin to internalize these affirmations, fostering a strong sense of self-worth that isn't dependent on external validations. How to build inner strength and resilience? Building inner strength is about developing emotional resilience to navigate ups and downs in life without relying on others for stability. This requires cultivating a strong sense of self-learning to meet your emotional needs from within. First, cultivate self-love. Self-love is the foundation of emotional independence. Treat yourself with the same kindness, compassion, and understanding that you would offer a close friend. Practice self-care by prioritizing activities that brings you joy, peace, and fulfillment. This could include hobbies, exercise, meditation, or simply taking time to rest and recharge. Second, setting healthy boundaries. Boundaries are essential for maintaining emotional well-being. Learn to say no when necessary and protect your time and energy for being drained by others. Healthy boundaries allow you to engage in relationship without losing yourself in them. Third, develop emotional awareness. Understanding your emotions is the key to managing them effectively. Take time to reflect on how you feel and why you feel that way. Journaling can be a helpful practice for exploring your emotions and gaining insight into your emotional triggers. Fourth, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves staying present and fully engaging with your current experience. By focusing on the present moment, you can reduce anxiety about the future and ruminations about the past. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing exercises can help you to stay grounded and calm in the face of emotional challenges. And lastly, creating balanced relationships. When you cultivate self-worth and inner strength, your relationships becomes more balanced and fulfilling. Instead of seeking validation or happiness from others, you bring your whole confident self to the relationship. This allows for deeper connection based on mutual respect, trust, and understanding. Healthy relationships are built on the foundation of two independent individuals who choose to share their life without losing themselves in the process. By meeting your own emotional needs, you free others from the burden of fulfilling them, leading to more genuine and authentic connections. Breaking free from emotional dependence is not about withdrawing from others or becoming or emotionally detached. It's about recognizing your own worth and happiness that comes from within, and learning to nurture those qualities independently of others by building inner strength, cultivating self-love, and developing resilience. You can create healthier and more balanced relationships where your happiness is no longer tied to someone else's action or approval. In the journey of emotional independence, remember you are enough just as you are. Your worth is inherent and your happiness is yours to create. As you embrace this truth, you will find that you are not only strong on your own but better equipped, fulfilling relationships that enrich your life rather than define it. Namaste. Have a good day.